Here I've got BLU Advance 5.2, and let me show you how to activate and use portable hotspot on the following device. So at first you have to open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Now locate and open network and internet, and then go to hotspot and tethering. And smoothly by tapping on Wi-Fi Hotspot, you can open the Wi-Fi Hotspot settings. To activate it, just click on this switcher and just give it a couple of seconds. And now it's active. Here you've got the sign, and it means that you currently have the portable hotspot active, so you can share network with other devices. Then if you would like to switch it off, just click here. And this is it. If you would like to personalize your Wi-Fi hotspot, if you would like to change the network name or the password, just click on Setup Wi-Fi Hotspot, and here under network name, just click and delete the current one, then enter a new one. It's reset. And a bit lower you can change the password, just click on Show Password to see what your current password is. Now delete it and enter a new one. Just remember that the password must have at least 8 characters. So once it's changed, just click on Save. And this is it. So now your hotspot has new name, also new password, and once you tap on this switcher, you can smoothly activate Wi-Fi hotspot. You can also have a quick access to Wi-Fi hotspot through the upper bar. Smoothly slide down the upper bar and then locate hotspot icon. It's right here. If you will click on it, within a couple of seconds it will be active. As you can see, this is now, and then here you can check how many users are connected with your device, and then if you'd like to switch off portable hotspot, tap on the hotspot icon again. So this is it. This is how you can activate, personalize and switch off portable hotspot in your BLU. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.